Hello. It's currently nighttime right now in my place, so it's dark even though the camera is open. And right now, was just recording because I want to share an anime that I've watched, which is Binchotan, and it's actually pretty good. It's inspiring because it's a story about a little girl struggling from daily survival. She's currently thinking what are the jobs that she needs to do in order to provide for herself, and she lives in the mountain alone, and it makes me cry, not the anime itself but the after story or the manga part where the um, story left off from the anime, and it's pretty hopeful because at the end she became happy with her friends.